Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create an account on Steam. And for those of you who don't know what Steam is, well, Steam is a really good platform for playing online games, and both paid and free games are available on Steam. And all you have to do is just create an account and then log into your account, and using your account you will be able to access all these games. So what we have to do for this is search for Steam on Google, and this is how it will appear then. And after that, just click on the welcome to Steam link and open it up, and this is how it will appear. This is the Steam page, and you will be able to see all the games that are available on Steam. So basically all the games which are quite popular will be of paid version, and for the free games you will be able to see a different section of them. So after opening up their website, you need to click on this option of install Steam. And here, since I'm using Mac, so it is showing Mac icon for me to download it. And if you are on Windows, all you have to do is just click on Windows and you will be able to download it for your Windows. And it is small in size, so it will be downloaded quite fast. And after that, just open it up. The process might be different for Windows. Just install Steam after downloading it. After trying to install it, you will be able to see a larger file of it to be downloaded. Just give all the permissions so it can be downloaded on your PC. And the similar process can also be done on your mobile device. And all you have to do is just visit your App Store or Play Store and search for Steam. And you will be able to find this icon on your App Store or Play Store. Just click on it and download it. Let it download. It will take a while when it is downloaded on your device. So after it is downloaded, it will open up on its own, and if it doesn't open, just click on the icon of Steam where you have downloaded it and it will open up. And after that, you don't have to sign in since you don't have an account yet. So we will create a new account, and you will find this option of create a free account here. Just click on it and then type in the email address here that you want to use for your account. So I will use mine. Copy paste your email in next field, and after that just select the country of your residence. Then click on I am not a robot so that you can prove that you are not one. Let me select the buses, and now let me select bridges. And after completing this hardest test, just click on I'm 13 years of age or older so that they know you are a responsible person. Click on continue and open up your email so you can verify. So let's open up our email. So this is the email that you will receive from Steam. All you have to do is just click on verify my email address and see. This is how easy it is to get your email verified by just one click. Then open up your account again. After that, just click on refresh and you will be shown this window then. And all you have to create in this portion of account is just create an account name and then choose a password for your account to protect your account. So let's choose an account name which is how to mentor, and let's choose a password for our account. Make sure that it is a strong password, and also make sure that you combine it with some characters and some special characters and all the mixture of them, so it will be strong for you and for your account. And after that, just click on done. New account created successfully. So basically we have created new account for us, and that's what we wanted to do. After that, just use the information that we have used while creating the account to sign in again. So our username was how to mentor, and after that just type in the password, click on sign in. It might take a while, and here we are, we have created a new account, and that's what we wanted to do. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.